Hey guys, Steph the Illuminated Nerd here. Today we're going to be revealing the winners of the giveaway from a few weeks back. I have them here. Let's get right into the list of the winners. So the six $25 US Steam gift cards are going to. First one is Lubomir Nedya, and we got Don Smith, Vise Dragon 3066, Irwan Akun, Ibhabhars 2017, and Mahmood Gamer. So those are the 6 winners. I will be contacting them via the email that they used to enter their entry into Gleam.io, and they have, I believe, 48 hours to respond to confirm that they've received their codes and whatnot. Yeah, congratulations to the winners. There was a part, like a little mini, I don't know, survey if you want to call it, as to get an extra entry into the contest, where I was just asking some questions for the direction of the channel, and I just thought I'd share the results of that set of questions from all of the entrants who answered the questions as part of that Gleam.io giveaway. And I was just asking, it was just like a multiple choice kind of thing where you could say the direction of the channel, and there were 90 total people that answered the questionnaire, and I asked, would they like to see more home office furniture build content, tech gadget reviews, custom PC builds, all of the above, and then below that there was stand-up comedy and geeky nerdy themed short films. And you can see here in the brackets what the actual results were. Seems like custom PC builds was the most popular answer, which is cool because I'm actually starting a series building that custom enterprise, so I hope people are excited and interested in seeing that series. Custom gadget reviews, I'll always be doing that on and off as I get them, and there's definitely more coming. And I'll show you some little footage of one of the gadgets that I'll be reviewing soon in a sec. And then home office bills, a little less interest in that, although all of the above could also include some of that. So I've got a little bit of that coming soon for sure. 3 people thought I should do stand-up comedy, so I don't know about that. Maybe like na Batman? I don't know. Anyways, probably not my thing. Geeky nerdy themed short films. That'll be like my Star Trek fan film that I'm working on right now. I've never really done any of that for that channel yet, so but maybe there'll be some interest once I actually release that, which I'm working on now. So yeah, there we go. That's how that played out. Cool that the PC builds are definitely up there. You've definitely got some of those planned out with my CNC machine that I'm building right now and my 3D printer, so there's definitely a lot of a room for doing that. And I have an artist friend that I'll be collaborating with on some stuff, so I'm hoping I might be able to collaborate on some PC builds with him too, so we're gonna have some interesting themed PCs. So yeah, definitely keep checking out the videos in the future. There should be some cool stuff coming out in the coming weeks. Thanks, have a good one, guys.